perimeter for the squad announcement. The Swire should be Fijian draw votes is as follows. Luz at props, Imosi Tungiri, Henriette Hetet, and Levi Natave. Hookers, Mesulame Dolokoto, Tevita Ikanivere, Zuriel Tongiatama. Tight head props, Chone Korenduandua, Mesake Donge, and Samuel Tawake. Utility prop is Meli Tuni. In the locks, we have Tony Wanga, Isoa Nasilasila, Leone Rotuisolia, and Sailosi Pukalokalo, who is a rookie for 2024. And adding versatility in the lock and back row departments is Te Ahaiwaru Diriki Dabeta. The back rowers, Elia Danakaibata, Ichione Salawa, Meli Derenalangi, Modikai Murray, and Bilive Miramira. The halfbacks, Frank Lomani, Penny Matawalu, Philip Basalala, Simeone Kuruvoli. Fly half, Caleb Mans, Kemu Valentini, Isaiah Armstrong-Vula, 2024 rookie, and Ezekiel Rabitu, also a 2024 rookie. In the centers, Apisolome Vota, Yosefo Masi, Michael Netokani, and Wanganalanga, who's also a 2024 rookie. The back three, Celestino Bravo-Taumanda, Eliza Brosese, and Ipeli Momo, another 2024 rookie in the squad. They are joined in the back three by Taniala Rakuro. The utility, the back line, is Tuindraki Samu Vondre.